4. Vice Birbal. Children, this is the 4th lesson in the course book, and now we will do the workbook part for this lesson, Vice Birbal. The first section here is understanding the text. The first bit, A. Tick the correct answers. Here we have 2 incomplete sentences. We have to complete these sentences by choosing the correct answer from these given option. For each sentence, 3 options are given. The first sentence here is Birbal was famous dash. The options are A. As a brave soldier, B. As a fool, C. For his wit and wisdom. And for this sentence, the correct answer is C option, for his wit and wisdom. We will put the tick mark for this option C. Birbal was famous for his wit and wisdom. 2. Akbar wanted to know dash. And the options here are A. What travelled the fastest in the world? B. Who could run the fastest in his kingdom? C. Who was the richest in the world? And the correct option for this second sentence is A option, what travelled the fastest in the world. So we will put the tick mark here for option A. Akbar wanted to know who travelled the fastest in the world. This is about the bit A. Now we will move to bit B. B. Answer the following questions. Children, here we have some questions. We have to read these questions and write the answers for these questions. The first question here is, what question was asked by Akbar? And the answer for this question is, the question asked by Akbar was, what is the thing that travels the fastest in the world? So this is the answer for this question. Second question is, what did the first courtier say? The answer for this is, the first courtier said that a bullock cart travels fast. 3. According to the second courtier, who travelled the fastest? The answer for this question is, according to the second courtier, a horse carriage travels the fastest. So these are the first 3 questions and the answers. You can write these answers in your workbook. Now we will move to the 4th question. The 4th question here is, what was the answer given by Birbal? And the answer is, Birbal answered that the thoughts in the mind of an individual travel the fastest. This is the answer for this question. The 5th question is, what did Birbal receive as a reward? And the answer for this question is, Birbal received 200 coins as a reward. These are the answers for these given questions 4 and 5. With this we completed the B bit about the answer the following questions. Now we will move to the next section. The next section here is word search. Under word search we have A bit, match the words with their opposites. Here 2 columns are there and we have to match the words from this column with their opposites in this column. First let's read the given words here. Pull, laugh, up, smile, dry, far, slow. And the words in this column are cry, down, near, frown, wet, fast, push. Now we will match these words with their opposites in this column. First is pull. The opposite of pull is push. We will match pull with push. 2. Laugh. The opposite for laugh is cry. We will match laugh with cry as an opposite. 3. Up. The opposite word for up is down. We will match up with down. 4. Smile. The opposite word for smile is frown. We will match smile to frown. 5. Dry. The opposite word for dry is wet. Match dry with wet. 6. Far. The opposite word for far is near. We are matching far with near. 7. Slow. The opposite word for slow is fast. We will match slow with fast. So now these are the matching words. Let's read now the opposites. Pull, push. Laugh, cry. Up, down. Smile, frown. Dry, wet. Far, near. Slow, fast. So children, this is about the A bit in word search, and this bit is about the matching of opposites. Now we will move to the next bit. B. Circle the odd word in each group. Children, here in each group we have 4 words. Among these 4 words we have to circle the odd word. The words given here are, let's read them first. Sugar, honey, jaggery, chilies. Vegetable, curry, rice chapati, cake. Goat, cow, polar bear, sheep. Akbar, Birbal, courtiers, grandmother. So each are different groups, and among this each group one word is the odd one. We have to identify and circle them out. In the first group we have sugar, honey, jaggery, chilies. Among these 4 words, one word is the odd word, and that is chilies. Because sugar, honey, jaggery, all 3 taste sweet. Chilies are hot, so we will circle the word chilies. 2. Vegetable, curry, rice chapati, cake. Yes, among these 4 words, cake is the sweetest one, and these are the different taste. So we will circle the word cake. Three. Goat, cow, polar bear, sheep. So in the third group we have animals here, and among these 4 words, goat, cow and sheep are the domestic animals, and polar bear is a wild animal. So we will circle the word polar bear. 4. Akbar, Birbal, courtiers, grandmother. Among these 4 words, these 3 are from the lesson Wise Birbal, which is related to the story, and grandmother is not related in the story, and this is a relationship. So this word is different from these 3 words. We will circle this word grandmother. So we have picked out the odd ones from each group and circled them. This is about bit B under word search. C. Fill in the missing letters to complete the words. Children, here we have given 6 words with the missing letters in them, and we have to fill in these missing letters to form the correct words, and these words are given in the form of help box here. The words are bullock, world, travel, coin, measure, reward. And now with the help of these words, we will fill in the missing letters in these words to complete the words. In the first word, we have W, L and D, and the missing letters here are O, R. W, O, R, L, D is world. 2. C is given, N is given, and the missing letters are O, I. So C, O, I, N forms the coin. This is the coin word. 3. The letters given here are B, L, L and C, K. So the missing letters here are U, O. B, U, L, L, O, C, K, bullock. The word here is bullock. 4. The letters given are R, W, R, D. And the missing letters here are E, A. The word here is REWARD, reward. The word here is reward. 5. The letters given here are T, V and L. So the missing letters here are R, A, E. TRAVEL, travel. So this word is travel. The word given here is also travel. 6. The letters given are M, S, U and E. The missing letters here are E, A, R. So the word becomes MEASURE, measure. So this word is measure. Now we have written the missing letters and formed the words here. The words are world, coin, bullock, reward, travel, measure. So this is about the C bit in fill in the missing letters to complete the words. The D bit under word search, make new words by adding BR or DR to the following groups of words and write the new word in the blank. Children, here we are given few words, but these words are incomplete. So we have to add BR or DR, the appropriate one, to make a new word. So the first one here we are given OWN. And what we can add here? BR. If we add BR to OWN, we get the word brown. Next is dash AWING. And here if we add DR, the new word formed is drawing. Third, INK is the given letters here, so we will add DR. So the new word formed here is DRINK, drink. 4. OTHER. So we will add here BR. Now the new word formed is BROTHER, brother. 5. ICK is given. So here we will add BR. Now the new word formed is BRICK, brick. 6. Dash, and we are given here EAKFAST. So we will add here BR. So the now word becomes breakfast. BREAKFAST, breakfast. So children, we have added BR or DR to these words and we have made the new appropriate words here. The words formed here are brown, drawing, drink, brother, brick and breakfast. The next section here is writing skills. Read a few Akbar Birbal stories. Write a story that you liked the most in not more than 100 words. Children, you can read few Akbar Birbal stories and you have to write a story that you like the most in not more than 100 words. Here I have written a small story, and like this story, any small story you can also write in your workbook. Let me read this story for you. A scholar once visited Akbar's court and declared that he is a smart one and no one can answer his questions. So here a scholar visited Akbar's court and he said that he is the smartest one. The scholar challenges Birbal to answer his question and prove that he is the smartest one. Would you prefer to answer 100 easy questions or just a single difficult one? Said the scholar. Here the scholar asked Birbal, you want to answer 100 easy questions or just a single difficult one? Birbal replied with confidence, ask me just one difficult question. So Birbal asked the scholar to ask only one difficult question. Alright, tell me what came first, the chicken or the egg? Asked the scholar. So the scholar asked Birbal one question, and what was that? Tell me what came first, the chicken or the egg? The chicken, Birbal replied. How do you know? The scholar asked. We agreed that you will ask only one question, which you have already done, said Birbal in response. So the scholar had to ask only one question, and he asked what came first, chicken or the egg. Then Birbal replied, the chicken. Then again scholar asked, how do you know? Then Birbal said, it is the condition that you will only ask one question. Now you cannot ask any question. So now the Birbal won the game here which the scholar wanted to play. He wanted to prove himself that he is the smartest here, but the Birbal proved himself that he is the smartest one. This is under writing skills. Children, you can read few Akbar Birbal stories and write a short story in your workbook. Now we will move to the next section. Life skill. How do you behave when you are in an unusual situation? Do you get disappointed or use your wits to overcome the problem? Can you describe any situation in which you have shown your wits? Children, how do you behave when you are in an unusual situation? Like any difficult situation comes up, how do you behave? Do you get disappointed or use your wits to overcome the problem? So if any problem arises, do you get disappointed or use your wisdom and overcome that problem? Can you describe any situation in which you have shown your wits? Can you describe any situation? Has any situation come like that? Like, did you face any problem? And if you have faced such a problem, were you able to solve that problem? Did you use your wisdom? Did you use your wits to solve that problem? Describe the situation if you have faced any such situation. This is about the life skill section. Now we will move to the next section. The next section here is creative fun. Look at the given picture and write few sentences about it. Use the word clues given in the box. Children, here a picture is given, and can you identify this? Yes, this is a picture of Agra Fort. Now you have to write a few sentences about Agra Fort, and while writing you can use the word clues given in the box. Here these are some clues given You can use these clues to write few sentences about this Agra fort. And what are the clues here? Let's read them. Agra fort, built by Akbar in 1565 on the banks of Yamuna. Red sandstone, marble palaces in the fort like Kas Mahal to visit from all over the world. So using these clues, you can write like this about Agra fort. Agra fort was built by Akbar the Great in 1565 on the banks of river Yamuna. It was the main residence of the emperors of the Mughal dynasty until 1638. It was built with red sandstone. There are several other marble palaces within the fort like Kas Mahal, Anguri Bagh, Diwani-e-Khas. Many people confuse the much smaller Red Fort at Delhi with Agra Fort. UNESCO designated the fort a World Heritage Site in 1983. Several people come to visit this great heritage from all over the world. So this is about Agra Fort. You can write like this in your workbook or prepare your own paragraph about Agra Fort and write in the workbook. This is about the creative fun under the lesson Wise Birbal. And with this we completed the workbook part for Wise Birbal.